welcome back to another episode of Jekyll and Hydes. Today, we got something special for you guys. I know I say that every time, but it's really special this time. Check it out, guys. One of my favorite colors. We have Army Green on this Land Rover Defender right behind me in 2022, as you guys can see. Originally, this was an original black. As you guys may see, it was in pretty rough condition. And what we did, or what the client wanted, was something different, something that popped. So we wrapped it in what we call Army Green. As you guys can see, came out really nice. Again, green by Nozzle Tech, guys, looks very, very good. You can see the gloss. This is original gloss. I love the design of this vehicle. Again, it's a 2022 Defender. We kept everything black to accent the green, which really makes it pop. We added that touch of ceramic coat to bring out that finish, to make it look really good and protect it all at the same time. Also, guys, as you guys can see, let's take a look at these wheels right quick. We did a lava orange on the brake calipers to give it a little bit more accent, right? That orange really makes it stand out, especially around that black rim, right? So just a little added touch, a little added accent to make it look really good. Again, orange, green, black. Guys, if you want your vehicle done and you want it done right, bring it on down to Jekyll and Hydes. We can hook you up, right? This is what we do, and we do it every day. This is William Agnew, Jekyll and Hydes. Again, Land Rover Defender 2022, Army Green. We got you. William Agnew. I'm out. Let's go.